once again to be enlightened on how parents discipline their children nowadays. Today's episode, we have invited a family that will share their ways on how to discipline their child. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome the Kevin family. Please take it. Good morning, Kevin family. How you been? Good morning, ma'am. We've been very good. Thank you for asking.
We're very grateful for being here. Thank you.
When your child was younger, you probably used a range of discipline strategies to teach them the basics of good behavior. So, how do you teach your daughter the basic good behavior?
We've always believed that a good family always starts with good behavior. My wife and I have been a very good model ever since our daughter was born.
Now that your daughter is moving to the teenage years, you can use limits and boundaries to teach her, learn independency, and take responsibility for the outcomes and the result of it.
Yes, we've been doing that. I've recently read this article last week, and it said teenage discipline is always effective when you communicate openly with your child and build and maintain a loving family environment. Now, from what I've seen in the article, we've been doing that for several years now, and we've been seeing amazing results to our child and our role model.
Today's generation has been really far distant from your generation, so how do you show your discipline to your daughter?
As a parent, based on our experience, sitting, learning, it has been helpful.
We involve our child, we're clear, and we discuss responsibilities. We always adjust the rules that correspond so that we can correspond to our child's boundaries.
Consider using consequences, physical consequences, as part of teenage discipline?
Yes, we do.
So how do you feel with your parents' way of disciplining you?
Every parent wants the best for their child. I admit that sometimes I'm very stubborn and now I understand what they're doing.
There are times that teenagers like you test or even disobey your parents. What is the reason behind that?
Teenagers like me often feel imprisoned, especially when we are in a family, strict family. So we pray for freedom.
Thank you for talking with us today. Stay tuned and wait for the next episode of the Talk Lake Station. And we're here back again together with Dr. Kumla. So hi Dr. Kumla, how are you?
I'm fine.
We have some major concerns regarding the disciplining children and teaching them what's good behavior. So, what can you say about it?
Disciplining a child means teaching a child what is acceptable behavior. A child's intellectual ability to develop over time. It is important to match the discipline of your child with your child's capacity to understand. How learn how to behave by copying the adults around them. They thrive when they know what is expected of them and their day has similar patterns to me. Children feel safe when they know the orders of events and can predict what will happen next. This is the same with the reaction of the children's behavior. The suggestions include tell or show children the behavior you don't want. Clearly explain the required behavior and make sure your child understands what you expect to them.
Thank you for the information you shared, Dr. Kumla.
You're very good.
Hello once again, Toxic Nations. We have here Jana and with her friends. Hi guys, how's life?
Not tiring and I'm so exhausted.
What can you say about the perspective of the representative parents and doctors about disciplining you teenagers?
As well as from their advices, we reflected that not every time we are right and we need to listen.
As what John said a while ago, every parent wants the best for their children and the further things for them.
Teenagers like us are born in different era from our parents. We need to give and take to listen to each other and be ready to accept that we are not always right and learn from our mistakes.
Thank you for the wonderful reflection from our teenagers. Things to remember. Discipline is not another word for punishment. Disciplining your child means teaching them responsible behavior and self-control. And lastly, pace the discipline of your child with your child's capacity to understand.
Thank you very much, Dr. Station.